Happy birthday. Make your parents proud of you.
Hi, Robert. Happy birthday. Hi, Robert. Happy birthday. Everybody. Happy return of the day.
Happy birthday, Govind. I'm so proud of you. Many more wishes throughout your day.
Happy birthday, Govind.
Happy birthday,
Ayan.